Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. Okay, so first we need to open the settings. To do it, press and hold the middle button right here. And once the menu opens, scroll down and then tap on the watch settings. In settings, we need to find the option called display and brightness. And once you find it, tap on it of course. And here, scroll down and look for the option called timeout. And once you find it, tap on it. And we have a list of durations. We have 4 seconds, 8 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the one you like. I recommend the 8 seconds because it's the middle one. But some people maybe like longer timeout duration. I don't know if 4 seconds is good. I wouldn't say it's good because it's quite short and it will basically turn off immediately if you start touching your touch screen or buttons. So I would probably leave it at 8 or maybe 15. I'm gonna select 15 and press the back button. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the touch screen or the buttons on my watch, it should turn off after 15 seconds to save power, of course. And let's see, it should be quite soon, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.